So here is very interesting app, KIPPO, dating for gamers. You can see the screenshots here. The dating app for gamers, connecting thousands of gamers daily, show off your unique personality, make real connections, share your interests, and play together. So super interesting app. It has 1500 ratings so far, 3.8 out of 5 average rating. You can see it's in the top charts in social networking. The size of the app is quite large, actually it's like 380 plus megabytes. But let's just open the app. It's quite easy to create an account, so I already did that, so you can check out in other episodes. Basically it looks like Tinder, so you just create your account, you upload some photos. I think you need to upload like at least 4 photos, and then you have so I just did that just like a test account. Then you can just add your username. Also here is an interesting option to let others know if you're not open to dating. Then there are like your favorite games here. Choose creative card to add to your profile deck, show your interest and personality. So you can add your bio. You can add something about anime, database of your consoles, what are your love languages, and then like of course the most important thing here is like adding the games which you're interested in, because that's like a matching criteria in this app. That's how it's different from Tinder. And if, for example, you're a gamer and you just like specific game, I definitely recommend you to check out this app also if you're interested in dating, because maybe this is a much stronger opportunity compared like to trying to match with thousands of people on Tinder who just have like general interest. But so for example, you just like Fortnite and you know for sure that you will hang out and you will have a great company with other partner who just likes Fortnite. So for example, something like that. And then it just basically looks like Tinder. You like someone, you don't like someone. That's just like an example. You can rewind. I think there is one rewind here. I don't know like how exactly that works. Then you can just message some people. You can just send some specific messages. Also, you can report user. You can block without reporting. So you can do that. You can also cancel message. So you can always just scroll down and see all the profile, and you see all the favorite games. You can see all the compatibility bio, some other things. So that's the idea. That's basically how the app works. Here you can see all the messages and conversations. Of course, I think you need to match with someone to start these conversations. New matches also expire in 7 days. Ongoing conversations last for 30 days. So you have that, you have replies, you have DM. You can see each people who liked you and who would like to match with you. Then you see all people, and you can see recent. So that's the idea. You can always report someone. That's the specific community of people here who you can hang out with. So that's a really interesting app actually to engage and to try out, and so super fun. And then here's again, this is my account. You can just preview it in the top right. Then there are all these settings. So here you can set your discovery filters. Show me woman, man, non-binary, max distance, local, national, and global. You can set like age range what you're interested in. depending on your age. You can allow direct messages, you can allow all DMs. When turned off, people outside of your current age filters will not be able to send you direct messages. You can show me on KIPPO, or you can hide, or you can select your profile to not be shown on KIPPO. Hide only friends profiles. So also in this app, which is quite cool, I think there is an option to enable like only friends option, which means that you are not actually interested in relationships. You just want to hang out and find friends, find some gaming friends and all of that. Then there are push notifications, obviously, which you can enable or disable. Community, help and support. So let's check out how can I reach out to get help and support. So you just redirected to kippo.com website. Is KIPPO free to use? KIPPO is free and always will be, but we also offer a subscription tier called KIPPO Infinity to help enhance your experience even more. You can upgrade to or cancel that. So here you can just reach out to them via Twitter, via Facebook Messenger, or there is also support email. I'll just show you right here. So the email is sub@kippoapp.com. So you can try that. You can follow them. So here are the social media accounts which you can follow. And there is also an Android app, which is cool. So where is KIPPO available? KIPPO. KIPPO is available in the US, Canada, and now Europe. We understand that gaming is a global community and hope that we can bring KIPPO to the rest of the world as soon as possible. We don't have a rollout plan for additional global expansion, but we will make sure to keep everyone updated. Is KIPPO free to use? Yep. So that's that. That's the first part. Then you can log out, and then in the bottom you can just tap to delete your account if you want to. That's really cool that this app includes this option, because just in case you think something happens to your data or something else like is exposed or there is some bug, you can always delete your account and your data. But you can also just hide your profile. In case you delete your account, this cannot be undone and you will lose all your matches and conversations forever. If you just hide your profile as here, then your account is hidden, but you can always just enable it back by just tapping show me on KIPPO. So that's basically that. So in a nutshell, that's the app. That's super interesting idea. But like the one disadvantage this app had, like what some people told, is that it has limited amount of profiles so far, because it's quite new and it's just started climbing in the top charts, and there aren't that many people and there aren't that many profiles in this app, which you can compare to Tinder or Bumble or some other mainstream dating apps. So just don't expect, especially if you select like your discovery settings to be local, don't expect to find a lot of profiles just in your town or city, especially if it's not New York or something like that. So just expect that you can find someone, but probably it will end up in just like some online chatting or something like that, which is pretty cool to find a company and to play games together, and maybe later you can meet up or something like that. That's just what I'm describing here. I just read some of that in the replies ratings on the App Store. Other than that, hope this overview was helpful. Definitely try out this app and hope you have a nice experience with this app. Definitely give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.